How to configure a routine backup task from the database to an external file server. Prerequisites. You have logged in to the management plane. Backup parameters have been set. When backing up the product data, ensure that the database instances on all nodes are in the running state. When backing up the product data, ensure that the product deployment status of the product is installed. Function description. For reliability purposes, you need to periodically back up all data after backup parameters are set. Application scenarios. When a product is running properly, you can create scheduled tasks for backing up its applications and data so that the backup data is periodically saved to the backup server. If a product becomes abnormal due to its misoperations or other situations, you can restore the product to the state at a certain time point. Procedure. Step 1. On the management plane, choose Backup and Restore, Configuration, Configure Scheduled Backup Task from the main menu. Step 2. On the Configure Scheduled Backup Task page, click Create. Step 3. Select Product Data and create a scheduled task for backing up the product data. Step 4. In the Backup Object area, select the Backup Object. Step 5. Configure scheduled parameters. Perform one-time backup at the specified time point. Select One Time and set Start Time. Perform periodic backup within a specified period. Select Periodic and set Start Time and Backup Interval. Step 6. Click Backup. Verifying the configuration. Check whether data is backed up as planned in scheduled backup tasks.